Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from the iPhone on the smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from the iPhone on the smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to our smartband. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. Oh, not App Store, the settings. In settings, you should see this page, the main page. Now scroll down through this page to the list of applications. And on this list, find the Garmin Connect. It's called Connect right here. Find this app, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is ticked on, and the tap on notifications, and you can also allow the notifications right here. Once you're done, go back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way up, and tap on the Bluetooth option. Here you should see the Vivosmart 5 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on, or rather make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. This needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. And once it's enabled, you can close the settings. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, we can tap on More to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Here select our Vivosmart 5 from the list. And then we can tap on the alerts option. And here we can select smart notifications. As you can see, we have two options, general use and during an activity. General use is basically when you're using your smartband normally, and during an activity is when you're tracking activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. Let's tap on general use first. Here we can enable or disable the notifications as the whole thing. And also we can tap on show, and we have mode, and we have three options: all, calls and texts only, and calls only. If you select all, it will display all of the notifications like apps, calendar and stuff like that. Calls, of course, and texts on your smartband. If you select calls and text only, it will display only notifications about calls and texts. And if you select calls only, it will display only the notifications about calls. And once you're done, you can go back, tap on during activity and do the same. You can enable or disable the notifications, and you can select which type of notifications should be displayed on the screen. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive them on your smartband. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message on our iPhone and also on our smartband. We can wake up the screen and read it, tap on it, and we can delete it or dismiss it by pressing the button. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.